How did algebra develop during the Renaissance? Imagine a time when solving equations was like solving a mystery, and numbers were beginning to speak a new language. During the Renaissance, a period from the 14th to the 17th century, algebra transformed from simple problem solving into a powerful mathematical tool. This era saw a revival of classical knowledge from ancient Greece and Rome, combined with new ideas from Islamic mathematicians. These influences helped Europeans understand and manipulate numbers in ways they never had before. Islamic scholars like al-Khwarizmi played a big role by writing books that explained how to solve equations systematically. European mathematicians started to read and build on these works, making algebra more organized and accessible. They began to see algebra not just as a way to find specific answers but as a way to understand general rules for solving problems. One major change was how mathematicians accepted negative numbers as solutions. Before the Renaissance, many thought negative solutions made no sense. But mathematicians like Girolamo Cardano proved they could be useful. Cardano also encountered complex numbers, which involved the square root of -1 while solving cubic equations. Although he was cautious about these new numbers, Raphael Bamelli later created a clearer way to work with complex numbers in his algebra book, published in 1572. This opened the door to a more complete understanding of algebraic systems. Another big step was the shift from words and long descriptions to symbols. Instead of writing out everything in words, mathematicians started using symbols for unknowns and operations. This made solving equations faster and more precise. It also allowed mathematicians to work more abstractly, focusing on the rules rather than the specific problem. The publication of important books like Cardano's Ars Magna helped make algebra a respected field. These books showed how to solve polynomial equations and demonstrated that algebra could do much more than just arithmetic or geometry. The spread of the printing press made these ideas accessible to many more people, helping algebra grow rapidly during this time. The Renaissance was a time of curiosity and rediscovery. The new focus on humanism encouraged people to see mathematics as a practical and intellectual pursuit. Advances in algebra supported navigation, trade, and science, helping explorers and scientists solve real-world problems. For example, algebraic methods improved calculations in navigation and helped architects design better structures. In summary, algebra during the Renaissance developed through the blending of classical and Islamic ideas, the acceptance of new types of numbers, the creation of symbolic notation, and the publication of key texts. These changes laid the foundation for modern mathematics and showed how numbers and their meanings could evolve over time.